Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, just yesterday I recorded a video about Sugar Bear and his wife Jennifer getting a divorce. In that video at the end, I kind of made a joke about, Mama June single, Sugar Bear single. Wouldn't it be crazy if the two got back together? Now, really, I didn't even think that would be a possibility. I just thought it was kind of a joke, I had no idea Mama June had a boyfriend. No idea whatsoever, which is kind of crazy because I keep up with Mama June a good bit, especially like when her and Gino first broke up and she was really like on TikTok with all these different guys. I was following that. I was like, Mama June gonna pick her up, one of these TikTokers, and I was, kind of following Mama June and what she had going on at the time. So when a viewer sent me a link to an article talking about Mama June's boyfriend, I was shocked to see that she had a man, and I was shocked to see that she came out with this information like back in October. That it was on her, I think her TikTok, where she posted a picture of his tattoo and said something about having this new man. So it's been out since October and I had no idea. And I was like, I'm slacking a little bit in my Mama June content. So I was like, yes, I need to talk about this. I want to film about this. Also, it's concerning because he's been arrested. He was recently arrested, back in 2020. But the charges are related to drugs, amongst other things. Also, he was kicked out of a rehab facility not too long ago, knowing Mama June's history with drugs and how it took a lot for her to get sober, and her kids and her family members, they've all been on this journey with her for her to get sober. And she accomplished that. And now hearing that she has this man who potentially may have a drug problem, it's a little concerning, and I am worried about Mama June. I hope she is doing great. I hope this guy is not bringing her down. I hope he has not caused her to relapse. Not saying that if she did, it would be his fault. She's an adult. She can make those decisions. But, I feel like when you have those type of people in your company, it's harder to say no because it's constantly on your mind and if you're seeing them do it. So I just wish Mama June would be careful with who she surrounds herself with, because keeping people that may potentially still be using could absolutely affect her sobriety. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to talk about it, you guys. So the link that one of my viewers sent me was to The Sun, and the title of this article, it came out on the 4th, and the title is Mama June's younger mechanic boyfriend, Justin Stroud, has a warrant out for his arrest after drug and burglary bust. So, Mama June's new boyfriend, his name is Thomas Justin Stroud. He has a warrant out for his arrest after being busted for drugs and burglary back in 2020. In court records that The Sun was able to obtain, Mama June's boyfriend has an outstanding arrest warrant on him in Alabama. That arrest warrant was put into place back in October, which was the same month that Mama June showed off his new ink on her Instagram account. And I think that was like the first inkling of anybody knowing that she had a boyfriend. She posted the picture of his tattoo. She tagged the tattoo artist, and then she said something about having like a new boo. So that was the first that anybody knew that she, may have a new man. Now, Stroud, who is 34 years old, was arrested of possession of marijuana and drug paraphernalia, as well as burglary at a dwelling in the 3rd degree and theft of property in November of 2019. He pled guilty to the latter two charges. According to the DA's office, who oversaw his case, he was on probation and was hit with a violation on October 26, 2021. His attorney, who represented him on the case, told The Sun, "I'm not aware of any new warrants, and the case that I represented him on is closed." It's unclear which part of his probation he violated. However, he was with Mama June in Georgia that month, October, when she showed off his new tattoo. Now, while I'm going over this article where it says it's unclear which part of his probation he violated, I'm going to update in just a little bit through more notes and stuff. We actually got a little bit more information where we do know which part of his probation he violated. Okay, so to continue with this part though, because I'm actually going off the Sun's article right now, but I do have some notes to kind of update. I guess I probably should have just updated this whole video I should have put this in there rather than reading this article and then throwing my notes in there. But we'll get to the gist of it. We'll get to what part of his probation he violated. Anyways, Mama June's new boyfriend was spotted in Vegas in December. However, it is unclear if Mama June was with her boyfriend. Last month, Mama June posted a lengthy message to Facebook about being in a relationship with someone you truly love. She said, if they truly make you happy and they are who you want to be with for the rest of your life, just make sure they know you are appreciative, grateful, and thankful to have them, and lucky to have them. Tell them you love them even if you are mad. As we all know, Mama June broke up with her boyfriend, Gino Dogue. I think they dated for it was a few years they dated, but they broke up earlier this year. Train. Now, after they broke up, Mama June, she started like a TikTok account where she became very friendly with a lot of male TikTokers. The most serious one, or the one that we all really suspected that she may have had a relationship with, was a TikToker named Jordan McCullum. Now, she said they were just friends, but we do know that Mama June spent tens of thousands of dollars on Jordan McCullum. So a lot of people suspect that maybe the relationship was a little bit more than just friends. Mama June and her daughters, Alana Thompson, Pumpkin, and Jessica, they have been filming a new season of Mama June Road to Redemption. They are filming in Georgia. So it says that Mama June and her family, they have been filming, and it appeared that Justin had been escorting Mama June around town, that she was seen spotted with him several times while running errands recently. So let's talk about the violation, because in this first article that I was reading, it didn't tell us what the violation was. However, the Sun actually updated today, and it actually breaks down exactly what happened. So in court documents exclusively obtained by the Sun, Mama June's boyfriend was hit with an arrest warrant after he failed to appear for his meetings with his Alabama probation officer back in June. And this was just days after he was seen with Mama June showing off his new tattoo in Atlanta, Georgia. The warrant for Stroud's arrest alleged that in September he was kicked out of a rehab facility in Alabama for suspected drug use. So it says on September 14th, 2021, at approximately 10 p.m., Mr. Stroud appeared to be impaired while present in the cafeteria of the facility. Security cameras in the cafeteria were reviewed, and Mr. Stroud appeared to be showing signs of physical impairment in the video. While attempting to speak to Mr. Stroud regarding his demeanor at 10:45 p.m., he was found passed out in his bed, still wearing his work clothes and his work boots. Mama June's boyfriend was drug tested at that time. However, the test came back negative. Nonetheless, he was kicked out of the rehab facility for suspected drug use. However, the following day, he admitted to his probation officer that he had used water, which is known as the party drug GHB. The probation officer noted in the warrant that GHB does not show up on a routine drug screen. For the warrant report, the probation officer appeared willing to work with Stroud through the alleged slip-up and allowed him to be transferred from the Altaga County CCP to Lauderdale County CCP, where he maintained employment and had a place to live. He reported to Lauderdale probation as required in September, but he failed to appear at his probation meetings on October 21st, 22nd, and 25th, with the warrant for his arrest being issued on October 26th. So that's what happened, you guys. The Sun did confirm with a Altaga criminal clerk of court, as well as prosecutor's office, that the warrant remains open. The criminal clerk of court told the Sun there is a CCP warrant out on him, which means he failed to do what he was supposed to do. The prosecutor's office told the Sun in October of last year there was a warrant for his arrest and an order issued. If he was arrested, we'd know within a day or two, and as of now, there are no updates. So, like I said, the warrant remains open. The arrest order was for a probation violation in October. He was sentenced in April, so the timing from the sentence to the time that he was hit with the violation was not very long. It was about 6 months. He pled guilty to burglary of a dwelling in the 3rd degree and theft of property in the 4th degree. The first one is a felony. The second one is a misdemeanor. He pled guilty in 2020. He was sentenced in April, and in October 2021 was when he got the warrant. So like I said, not a lot of time between his actual sentence date and the time that he had already slipped up and had not reported to his probation officers. So 6 months. So that's what's going on, you guys. Like I said at the beginning of this video, it's worrisome because knowing, that he was in a rehab facility. He actually took drugs while in a rehab facility, which apparently that may be kind of common. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section below if that's pretty common. I know that Amber Portwood did that as well. And, he took something that doesn't even show up on, I guess, the drug screen that they had at the facility. Next day, though, he was honest and said, yeah, listen, I had a slip up. I did this. So his probation officer worked with him and didn't just kick him out of the program, but sent him somewhere else or something like that. But it's very worrisome because if Mama June is dating a man that, just in October of 2021, he was not reporting to his probation officer, that's when they announced that they were dating. So he was already doing things that he knew he wasn't supposed to be doing. If you are on probation, why would you not report to your probation officer if you know that you will be arrested for not doing so? I feel like most of the time the reason somebody won't report is because they know they're doing something wrong. They're scared that if they get there, they may get drug tested and then they're going to fail. And, so really worries me that that he at the very least is still doing drugs, and the impact that could have on Mama June, the influence that could have on Mama June. What do you guys say to this? What do you guys say about Mama June's new man who literally the month that they came out as dating, he had not reported to his probation officer and a warrant was issued for his arrest? Leave me your thoughts about that in the comment section below. Also, a lot of people, asking about Gino. What happened with Gino? I didn't know that so many people were not aware that they have broken up, but I guess most people just keep up with the show. Like, a lot of people don't read all these articles. So according to the show, they're still together, right? It is being said, that a new season was filmed in the fall, and from my understanding, from what I'm hearing, March of this year, March 2022, a new season of Mama June will come out. And I don't know if it's going to detail her and Gino's breakup. I don't know if it's going to detail Sugar Bear and Jennifer's breakup. I don't know if it's going to detail Mama June with this new man, but to know that he was there during filming makes me believe that he will probably, more than likely, be on the show. What do you guys think? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, I have a TikTok, I have a Facebook account. I will share the links to those in the comment section below. Go follow me there. I'm actually going to start adding more content on TikTok and my Facebook account. I'm going to try to make sure that I can do at least like one video a week on my Facebook account. Maybe something different from, what I put up here. But you guys go check me out on those platforms as well, because I'm really going to start using them as much as I can. So go follow me there. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, everyone.